Understanding Not My Bailiwick, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, not my bailiwick. This expression is a gem in the English language, often used to describe something that's outside one's area of expertise or interest. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Not my bailiwick is a phrase used to indicate that a particular subject or task is outside the speaker's area of expertise or responsibility. The word bailiwick originally refers to the jurisdiction of a bailiff, but in this context, it's used more broadly to mean one's sphere of knowledge or authority. When someone says this phrase, they're essentially saying, "That's not my area of expertise," or "I'm not responsible for that." The term bailiwick has its roots in Middle English, stemming from the words bailey, meaning bailiff, and wick, a place or dwelling, often used in place names. Over time, its use expanded beyond legal jurisdictions to refer to any area of specific knowledge or expertise. The phrase, "not my bailiwick," has gained popularity in both professional and casual settings, emphasizing the importance of recognizing one's limits and areas of expertise. Using "not my bailiwick" can be a polite and somewhat humorous way to decline involvement in something outside your expertise. Here are a few examples. At work, if asked about a department you're not part of, you might say, "I'm sorry, but that's not my bailiwick." Perhaps someone in finance can help. In social situations, when a topic you're not familiar with comes up, you could use, "I have to admit, that's not my bailiwick. I'd love to hear more about it, though." This phrase is a gentle reminder that it's okay not to know everything and that everyone has their own areas of strength. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, "not my bailiwick," and how you can incorporate it into your daily English conversations. Remember, language is a window into culture, and phrases like these add color and depth to our communications. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more interesting English phrases with you in the future. Happy learning!